We know that buying vinyl plank flooring can be very intimidating when you're walking into your big box stores.
And there's no one there to help you.
There's so many things to look at when you first walk through those doors.
We're going to help you to know what to look for when you're buying your vinyl plank flooring.
Hey guys, we're Darius and Akula of DIYPC.
If anyone is new to vinyl plank flooring, let's talk about why vinyl plank flooring is so popular.
Vinyl plank flooring is a budget-friendly alternative to hardwood flooring.
It mimics the pattern of wood and it comes in a wide variety of styles.
It also has the easy factor. Vinyl plank flooring is much easier to clean, install, and repair than hardwood floors.
It's so much more durable because it resists scratches and is waterproof. Vinyl plank flooring is a great flooring option for families with pets and children. All these features are the reason why vinyl plank flooring is so popular. Okay, so we're headed into, can you see it? And we're going to check out the vinyl plank options there.
Yep.
And we'll let you know what we find out.
Yep.
So let's do. Yeah, one more time. Okay, let's try it again.
Let's go. All right. Big box stores are a great option for DIYers to buy vinyl plank flooring only if you know what you're looking for.
There are two things that can happen when buying vinyl plank flooring. One, you buy a cheaper product or the wrong product that is not right for the specific project that you had in mind.
Or two, you buy a product that's way too expensive and you could have saved some money.
So we're here to help you avoid that. So let's review the options at Home Depot.
When you're walking into Home Depot, head straight to the flooring section. The vinyl plank flooring features that we're going to look at today are
price, durability, how easy is it to install, and then what is the ideal location for it.
Usually when you're walking into the Home Depot flooring section, you're going to see LifeProof being displayed.
And that's because this brand is owned by Home Depot. So this one is going to give you the most options because it's a star brand. You'll probably have the most variety in styles in vinyl plank flooring with LifeProof, and it's the higher end or more expensive brand of vinyl plank flooring that you'll find there.
So let's look at our features.
The price point is about $3.49, around that range, depending on what style you get.
The thing that I like about it is that it can work with imperfections on your subfloor. It's pretty thick and wide. Another thing that I like about it is that the interlocking mechanism is pretty durable. It's pretty hard to break it. As far as durability goes, this is one of the strongest floorings that they have in their store.
This means that once it's installed, it's going to last.
It's waterproof and it has antimicrobial properties.
So this plank can be used in residential or commercial applications.
Now for the biggest feature. Is it easy to install?
That is so important to a DIYer. You will probably need a box cutter and a power tool to cut these.
In addition to your installation kit, some of the tools you may need are a jigsaw or a circular saw. This will help you cut the planks across or long ways.
So you definitely want to plan your install with these type of planks. They're going to be sturdier, wider, heavier, and a little bit more difficult to cut as a DIYer installing it yourself. Now, what is the ideal location for this type of plank? Any place where there's a lot of living going on, like spills or
scratches
when pets leave
other things on the
for
floor.
You. These are ideal for spaces like your living room, a basement, a playroom, a lot of going in and out, walking across. I personally would use these on ground level or basement level. That's just personally for me because they're so heavy and thick. You could use them in upper level. Yeah, they're made for any level of your home. I'm just saying that's what I would use them for.
That's your personal preference?
That's my personal preference.
Yeah.
So this is not for a temporary
fix.
Yeah, temporary flooring fix. This is great for a more permanent update to your home. I kind of like the name LifeProof.
Yeah, I mean, it feels like it's giving you life.
Yeah, I feel like it is saying we can handle whatever life happens.
Another flooring option that you may see in the store is TrafficMaster.
I just want to remind you that these are the flooring options that we saw at our local Home Depot.
And yours can be a little bit different.
So let's go through our features. For the price, at about $1.99, that's looking really good. However, let's check out the durability.
This product has between a 4 and a 6 mil wear layer. It also is thinner and shorter.
So this is kind of a lighter weight vinyl plank. It's still going to have the resistance, the scratch resistant.
But it might not be so good for high traffic areas.
Right. And so is this easy to install? Yes, it's pretty easy to install. And because it's so thin, you could probably cut it with like a box cutter, or you may not even need a power tool for this. And we have actually used a product similar to this in a laundry room. Now, why would anybody want to use something like this if it's thin and it could break? One thing that this product may be good for is when you're installing it already over a vinyl floor.
Your vinyl subfloor will become like an underlayment for you.
Because it's not as thick, you can easily put this over a flooring without maybe having to change all of your thresholds, your door jambs. Since the interlocking mechanism isn't as strong,
it can be easily installed or removed. So if you're a renter
and you want to put an interlocking vinyl floor that is a floating floor, so you don't need to glue it down or anything, it can still do the job.
Yeah, well, it's ideal for small spaces.
I would say like a
laundry room,
a smaller laundry room,
a small office.
Sometimes you transform a closet into a small office space and you want just new flooring and you want to have a hardwood look with the protection of vinyl flooring, but it's just not as expensive and it's going to be easier to install. So this product is not as permanent as a stronger, more durable vinyl plank flooring.
At Home Depot, you may also find the Home Decorators collection.
So these vinyl planks have a price point about the mid-range of $2.49.
So this product is pretty nice. It has a 12 mil wear layer, and
this is a nice wide plank and long, and the nice thing is it's not as thick as the higher end planks. So when we talk about how easy it is to install, you can still score these planks.
It can be a little harder to install this one with rooms that have a lot of angles and openings.
The ideal location for home decorator planks for me would definitely be like a basement.
Like a rec room with children's playroom.
Oh, yes. Very square areas,
yeah.
I would say, because it's giving a little bit of the thickness of the higher end, so it's going to be harder to cut, but it's giving you that 12 mil wear layer that's nice. So it's going to give you the durability that you can have in living spaces with pets and children. It's scratch resistant and all of that, and it has a pretty decent interlocking. So I would say for a DIYer, this would be a great product for, like we said, very square areas.
Now this is a good name. I do like that. Home Decorators collection. You're just making it better. It does sound.
Home Decorators?
They all sound good. Everything.
It
sounds
seems
great.
like this is for people who like to switch up the decor of their home a lot.
Yes.
That's what Home Decorators collection needs to mean.
We don't know if you have this brand in your store, but we found this Made in the USA brand
in the aisles of our Home Depot. We haven't seen this before. So it says it has a 20 mil wear layer, which is pretty thick, and it's at the mid-range price point of about $2.49. It has an under pad.
It looks like the interlocking mechanism is pretty sturdy.
We always recommend that you handle the product to see. So if this is a color or style that you like,
this flooring looks like it could be a pretty good option for your project.
I would put this probably in a basement or in a room that doesn't need to match with the other flooring. Because if you only have this one style, or if you run into any flooring that's like on sale or discount and you're like, where could I put this? I wouldn't necessarily put this type of flooring in your,
kitchen.
The main flooring of your home, but it's definitely great for
a basement.
Yeah, any type of room that can just kind of be a standalone room. I feel like this is a quality product at a decent price, and it's just saying that here, this is the only option or style we have, and if you like it, it could be a great DIY project.
It's great to know exactly what's inside of the store that you're going to. So let's recap all the flooring that we've seen.
So at Home Depot, we have seen LifeProof, TrafficMaster, Home Decorators, and Made in the USA.
At least you now know the price ranges for each of these options.
And you can decide which of these products would work in the area and the project that you want to DIY.
Leave a comment down below and let us know if you want us to go to Lowe's.
And we'll look at the vinyl plank flooring there.
Hey guys, we finished at our local home improvement store, and we thank you for watching our video. And
Yes.
we just want you to know that you can DIY too.
Vinyl plank flooring is a budget.
So it still is a wide plank, and it's not as thick as maybe...
I was born in a... Hey guys.
If you're now ready to install your vinyl plank flooring, we have an entire playlist to show you how.
We also give step-by-step instructions in our videos to make things easier for you.
We invite you to subscribe to our channel.